Wooden wall decorations bring a timeless charm and warmth to any space, transforming walls into a canvas of natural beauty. Whether you're creating a cozy rustic vibe, a modern minimalistic touch, or a bold statement-making accent, wooden wall decor offers endless possibilities. Let's dive into why wooden wall decoration is such a wonderful choice, the benefits it brings, and some creative ways to incorporate it into your space. To start, wood has this innate ability to make a room feel inviting. There's something so comforting about its texture, its natural tones, and even the stories it tells through its grain. Unlike cold materials like metal or plastic, wood carries warmth, both visually and physically. It can soften a space, making it feel more lived in and welcoming. This is particularly important in areas like the living room, dining room, or even a bedroom, where you want people to feel relaxed and at home. Now, let's talk about the versatility of wooden wall decor. Whether your style leans toward traditional, rustic, modern, or even industrial, wood fits in seamlessly. You can work with natural finishes for a raw, organic look or opt for polished, painted, or stained wood for a more refined and tailored aesthetic. Wooden wall panels, carved artworks, geometric designs, or reclaimed wood accents all allow you to infuse your personal style into your space. Another major benefit of wooden wall decoration is how it enhances the visual texture of a room. Walls that are just painted or covered in wallpaper can sometimes feel flat, but adding wooden elements introduces depth and dimension. Think about a stunning accent wall with vertical or horizontal wooden planks, or even intricate wooden lattice designs that play with shadows and light. It's like art for your walls but functional at the same time. And here's a big one: durability. Wood is a long-lasting material when cared for properly. Unlike many other decorative options, wooden wall decor isn't something you'll need to replace frequently. It ages beautifully, often taking on more character over time. Reclaimed wood, for example, has become incredibly popular not only for its eco-friendly appeal, but for the unique character it brings to a space. If sustainability is a priority for you, wooden decorations made from reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood can be an excellent choice. Now, a lot of people might wonder about the cost. While it's true that high-quality wood can sometimes be a larger upfront investment, its longevity and timeless appeal often make it worth the price. Plus, there are so many ways to incorporate wood affordably. You could DIY a wooden accent wall using pallet wood or pick up smaller wooden art pieces to layer into your decor over time. Let's talk about another benefit: acoustics. Did you know that wood can actually help improve the acoustics in a room? It's a material that absorbs sound rather than reflecting it, which makes spaces with wooden elements feel quieter and more serene. So if you're thinking about adding wooden panels or decor in a home office, study, or bedroom, you're not just enhancing the aesthetics, you're improving the ambience. And for those of you who are worried about maintenance, it's really not as complicated as it might seem. A quick dusting and occasional polish are usually all it takes to keep wooden decor looking its best. Of course, if you're using wood in a more humid space, like a bathroom or kitchen, you'll want to seal it properly to prevent warping or damage. Now, let's get into some fun and creative ideas for incorporating wooden wall decoration into your home. If you want to make a bold statement, consider creating a feature wall with wooden planks. Whether you arrange them in a classic horizontal pattern, a trendy chevron design, or even a mix-and-match collage, this kind of accent wall can completely transform a room. For a more artistic approach, look into wooden wall sculptures or carvings. These can range from abstract designs to intricate patterns, giving your walls a gallery-like feel. Wooden shelves are another practical yet decorative option. Floating shelves made from rich, warm wood can display books, plants, or collectibles while also adding a rustic or modern edge. If you're feeling adventurous, try combining wood with other materials for a unique mixed media look. Pair wood with metal elements for an industrial vibe or integrate mirrors or glass for a modern touch. Even a simple wooden frame around a mirror can elevate its style. For smaller scale projects, wooden picture frames, clocks, or even a set of wooden wall hooks can add charm without overwhelming your space. And let's not forget about color. While natural wood tones are stunning, you can also paint or stain wood to match or contrast with your existing decor. A pop of black or white paint on wooden slats, for instance, can look incredibly chic. If you're working with a smaller space, wooden wall decorations can actually make it feel larger. By choosing lighter wood tones or vertical wood patterns, you can create the illusion of height and openness. And in larger spaces, dark, rich woods can add coziness and intimacy. For those who love seasonal decorating, wooden walls or accents offer the perfect backdrop. Think about how versatile wood is for showcasing Christmas wreaths, garlands, or even fairy lights. In the warmer months, you can swap those out for greenery or floral arrangements. The natural texture of wood complements just about any seasonal decor. One thing we haven't touched on yet is how wooden wall decor can connect your home to nature. In a world dominated by concrete, steel, and synthetic materials, wood brings in a sense of grounding. It's like bringing a piece of the outdoors inside. And this connection to nature isn't just aesthetic, it can actually have psychological benefits. Studies have shown that natural materials like wood can reduce stress and improve mood. Imagine walking into a room and instantly feeling calmer because of the subtle warmth and familiarity of wooden accents. Wooden wall decor also has the power to bridge the gap between design eras. Let's say you have a modern home, but you love the charm of vintage or rustic elements. A reclaimed wood wall, for instance, can add that touch of history and character without clashing with your overall aesthetic. On the flip side, if your space leans traditional but you want to modernize it, sleek wooden panels or geometric designs can strike the perfect balance. Another fascinating feature of wood is how it interacts with light. Depending on the finish and texture, wooden walls can create stunning effects when light hits them. Smooth, polished wood reflects light subtly, adding a gentle glow to the room. Meanwhile, rough or textured wood absorbs and diffuses light, creating a softer, cozier ambience. You can even use strategically placed lighting, like sconces or LED strips, to enhance these effects and draw attention to the unique patterns and grains in the wood. And let's not forget about personalization. Wood is one of the easiest materials to work with when it comes to DIY projects. Whether you're handy with tools or just getting started, there are countless ways to make wooden wall decor your own. You could sand and stain a piece of driftwood to hang as an art piece, create a gallery wall with custom wooden frames, or even build your own wooden headboard that doubles as a statement wall. The beauty of wood is that it doesn't have to be perfect. Its imperfections, like knots, cracks, and uneven grains, are part of what makes it so charming and unique. If you're concerned about sustainability, there's good news. Many suppliers now offer eco-friendly options, like reclaimed wood or wood sourced from responsibly managed forests. Using these materials not only reduces waste, but also gives you a chance to incorporate pieces with history and character. Imagine having a wall made from reclaimed barnwood or driftwood. It's like adding a story to your space. Now let's talk a bit about practicality. Wooden wall decor isn't just about looks. It can also be highly functional. Take wooden slat walls, for example. Not only do they look incredibly stylish, but they can also serve as room dividers or even provide additional storage opportunities. You can add hooks, shelves, or even planters to slatted walls, making them a multi-purpose feature. For those who enjoy experimenting with trends, there are plenty of modern twists on wooden wall decoration. For instance, 3D wood panels are becoming increasingly popular. These panels come in various shapes and patterns, creating a textured, sculptural look that adds depth to your walls. Another trend is combining wood with unexpected materials, like concrete or acrylic, for a contemporary contrast. And finally, one of the best things about wooden wall decoration is how personal it can be. Because wood is so customizable, you can really make it your own. Whether you're engraving it with a family quote, creating a DIY project, or even repurposing old furniture into wall art, there's something so special about having a piece that feels unique to your home. So as you can see, wooden wall decoration is more than just a design choice. It's an investment in warmth, style, and functionality. It's about bringing nature into your home in a way that feels authentic and timeless. Whether you're completely revamping a space or just adding a few touches here and there, wooden decor has this incredible ability to elevate the overall atmosphere of your home. So, if you've been on the fence about incorporating wood into your walls, I hope this has inspired you to give it a try. The possibilities are truly endless, and the results can be absolutely stunning.